Today we're going to learn how to make a beaded wreath ornament. You will need tri-beads and craft wire. First step is cut about 7 to 10 inches of craft wire. Make a nice loop on one end to hold the beads. Then feed the beads onto the wire. I use between 25 to 30 beads. You can use whatever you desire. Twist the ends together to form the wreath. Continue to twist until the wire starts to come up and is high enough to cut. Trim the wire. Nice. Add a ribbon of your choice to hang onto the tree. You can do several different styles. You can make it into a bow or use something glittery or just a plain ribbon. Have a beautiful Christmas.